In this video, you'll learn how to add product variants, such as sizes or colors. We're already on the new product page, so we can just scroll down to the Options section. Click Create a new option. This opens a dialog where you can add the type of option you want. For example, type Color into the field, and then choose Color from the suggested list. After that, click Confirm. Now the option is added, and you can select the values you want to offer. Choose the colors you want to include from the list. When you're done choosing the values, close the menu and click Done. The final step is to save the product. Click Save in the top right corner. Once the product is saved, you can preview how the variants look in your store. Click View Product Page to open it. This is how your customers will see the options in your online store. The layout may vary slightly depending on the theme you're using, and most themes also include settings for how product variants are displayed. Now that the variants are created, you can always come back and edit them whenever needed. Click Edit next to any variant. This opens a separate page where you can manage all variant details. Here, you can set variant-specific prices, add images, adjust weights, and make any other changes you need. Then just save the product when you're done. Before we wrap up, there's one important thing to know about variants. You can only add variants to new products. They cannot be added to an existing product directly. Let's quickly look at what happens with an existing product. If you open an older product and go to Options, and then try to add a new option, the system will prompt you to copy the product as new. If you continue, it will automatically create a new version of that product and archive the old one. And that's it. That's how you create and manage product variants.